Yeah, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Moto, and you can see here today I have very different product from again Flipkart Smart Buy. You can see so many products on my YouTube channel of this brand Smart Buy. So this is power bank this time, and this is of 10,000 mAh. So first of all, just have a look over this packaging. So you can see this is a Flipkart Smart Buy written over here, and some sticker of Flipkart, and you can see the specifications are given at the back side of the box, and the price of this product is mentioned 1499 rupees, and of course you can get it around 700 bucks only in so many offers. So I'll say that pricing will be from 700 to 900 of this power bank. So let's have a first look of the product. You can see this is the packaging, and yes, this is power bank itself. So look and feel very nice. I'll say it's very nice in look. You can see as I'm just rotating this, this lining is floating on the product, which is looking very nice. At the very top you can see here, this is normal USB connector for your charging cable, and here you can see the two input holes also there. The one is type C, another is normal 2.0, and at this side you can see there are three holes which will of course blink because this is light. So you can see in this there are indicators of charging percentage, so you can have a rough idea about its charging capability and remaining batteries. And at this side you can see there's a power button, and at the bottom there's nothing. At the very top you can see this is Smart Buy logo, and at the very back you can see Flipkart Smart Buy. Some specifications are also mentioned over there, and this is the rating, and made in India is also written over here. So it can charge up to 2 ampere, and even 5 volt 2.4 ampere is the maximum capacity by which you can charge your device. So overall I'll say its build quality is very nice, and apart from this power bank, you are also getting here a cable which is normal. You can see normal type A2 2.0 USB, and length is quite good as per the uses of this power bank with your mobile phone. So I'll check the full detail, review of this power bank. I'll check first and write down the description that how is the usability, how many times you can charge your 4000 mAh battery with the help of this power bank. And overall look and feel is very nice, and I like to tell you that I have already unboxed one more product of Flipkart Buy before some time on my YouTube channel. This is basically Bluetooth headset. So it's also of very nice quality, and if you really want to know more about this product, you can go through the video of this product as well. I hope this video was informative. There was nothing such good things to tell about this product because it's very simple power bank. But if you want to have a look on the product, that how it looks, you can see the build quality is very nice. If you will compare this product with power bank of Amberrain, Boat, or even MI, you will not feel disappointed with this product. So you can definitely go and buy this product. It's very nice. I have already gone through a lot of research for this product, and rating is also very nice over Flipkart. So definitely you can consider it, and you must have this kind of product for emergency situation. I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, please hit like button and please subscribe Moto for more such videos. Thanks for watching the video. RND Soja signing off. Bye bye. See you in next video. Thank you.